Hi, good morning. Okay, so in the last class we discussed about bank reconciliation. Okay, then there is a last topic is there in financial. Last topic in financial accounting or FI called financial statement version. Actually, what is this? It's also called as FS. Actually, what is this? What is the use of financial statement? I'll show you in the system. Let me log into system. Okay, if you go into accounting, right, open financial accounting here, and here you go anywhere, you can go anywhere like general ledger, account receivable, accounts payable, or bank fixed asset, anywhere. You just open general ledger. In there is a folder called information system. Just open that. General ledger reports, right? Then balance sheet, profit and loss account, or cash flow. If you want to see all these kind of reports, you need to come to information system in general ledger AR, like that. So if you open balance sheet account, then it will ask for some more information like where do you want to go, whether you want to go country basis wise or general wise. So click on general wise, actual comparison. Actual means, so you can compare with previous year or previous month, like that. Actual means already the entries posted or actual expenses we got, that we can do the comparison. Like we can compare with year to year, half year to half year, quarterly to quarterly, or periodic, like that. Periodic means monthly, right? Balance sheet, cost of balance sheet, profit and loss account using cost of sales accounting. This is German trade law. Balance sheet and profit loss account statement, SAP minimal variant. Then if you are having any plan, so plan so far not we did, because we are still into financial accounting, we need to go to controlling to plan the expenses. If it is there any plan, then you can come here and you can compare with actual and plan. Means this much of amount we planned and how much actual expenses incurred, that we can see here. Okay, half yearly, quarterly, periodic, like that. So to maintain or to see this kind of reports, this is what we call as reporting. So ultimately, what is the purpose of using any software is to generate the report, right? So without report, we cannot come to know whether we are in loss or profit, right? This is very important. What are the configurations we did so far and what are the entries we did? So we need to get the report, right? What are the entries we used to post in day-to-day business, right? But by end of the month or by end of the year or by end of the quarter, it will be converted into report. So report we can see here. So here I need to mention my company code and all my GL I can assign here. Say example, my company code is PSD and business area is not required as we are having business areas, so it is not required. Currency type, press F4. There is a company code currency, many currencies are there. We will discuss related currency later, what type of currency we can use. And ledgers we will discuss that one also. And here I need to show the statement version. See, so far we not maintain any version, right? Either I can select this one, any standard, I will select, I think I'll check this one, ABCD, and which year you want to see, 2021, and what kind of report you want to see, like graphical report one and classic drill one. Nothing much change in between these two. Just click on execute. Okay, here we not able to see. is not. I'll change the financial statement version. Let me check with this. Execute. What is not allowed. And then let me change. We'll check this one. COFS I'll check. Yes. So we can see the report like this. This is 2021 and this is 2020. In 2020 we didn't post anything. So here we can see the statement here. So see, this is the transactions or posting we did in that particular GL accounts. It is not complete again, right? It is not complete. This is a graphical report. No. If you want to see classic drill down report, just click on execute again. It is not completed. No. For that, this financial statement I need to create my own. I can create my own. Means this type of report I want to see. This type of report I want to see. How to maintain? So I need to add my ledgers or ledger account group to this financial account statement. Then on that basis we can generate the report. I'll show that on. For that I need to go to IMG. Before that I'll let you know. So these are the groups which we maintain. Say example liabilities. Liabilities, we are having a group called share capital account, right? Then reserves and surplus. Secured and unsecured. Loan group, and last one in liabilities and provisions. These are the 4 groups we created, right? And for that group we had assigned a number ranges. Say for share capital account 1 lakh to 1 lakh 199, then reserves and surplus 1 lakh 200 to 1 lakh 399. If you recall your previous class which we maintained account group, so this account group we had number ranges we had maintained for that particular account group, right? These are the ranges we maintain, right? Next one is assets. Fixed assets. For that we maintained the number ranges 2 lakh to 2 lakh 199, and current assets 2 lakh 200 to 2 lakh 399, and accumulated depreciation 2 lakh 400 to 2 lakh 599. These are the assets we maintain. Then income group. There we are having 3 groups again, like sales account group. Sales account group range 3 lakh to 199. Then other income group 3 lakh 200 to 3 lakh 399. And increase, or I think I checked with that one, increase or decrease in stock group 400 to 3 lakh 590. Then last one, expenses group. Right there we are having so many group like material consumption, range start from 4 lakh to 4 lakh 199. Personnel staff cost to 4 lakh 399. Manufacturing expenses 4 lakh 400 to 4 lakh 599. Admin expenses 4 lakh 600 to 799. And interest account depreciation account 4 lakh 999, right. And last one, duties and taxes 4 lakh 1000, 4 lakh 199. So these are the groups which we maintained, and on that basis we created the ledger and we posted the entry, right. Here also in financial account statement version also we need to maintain the same thing. We need to maintain the same thing, and on that basis we can generate the report. On that basis we can generate the report. So we'll check in the system. Go to IMG level, financial accounting new, then global setting new, financial accounting global setting new, then document image. Yes, not in financial accounting global setting, go to general ledger accounting, then master data. Yeah. Define financial statement version T code OB58. Click on that, new entries here, and here my financial statement version is PSFV. Financial statement version for company code PST. Maintenance language English. Chart of account, my chart of account is PSC, right. If you press F4 you can search your chart of account, like PSC is my chart of account. Input these data and click on save. Okay, then click on financial statement items. See here we will get screen like this. There we are having two group already, like liabilities and asset we are having, and two groups I need to create, right. So two group, that is income and expenses. Okay, I'll create that one. Okay, to create that one you need to select this PSFV and click on create item. To create the group just select PSFV and click on create item. We will get screen like this. There I need to input two groups like income and expenses, right. Press enter. See here this has been assigned under or linked to financial statement version for company code. These two ledgers, these two groups I need to bring about to this. So what I need to do, so just select asset, then click on F9 or press F9, sorry. Once you press F9, this row color get changed to yellow color, right. Then click on PSFV, then reassign button, click on reassign button, and you will get small screen like this. Press enter that. See, asset comes under income group, right. In the same way, select liabilities, then press F9 again. See, change color has been changed. Then select PSFV, then click on reassign button here, reassign. And once you click on that, we'll get small screen or pop-up menu. Press enter here. See, it has come like this. So liabilities, equity, asset and income and expenses. Liability, asset, income and expenses. It has come in order, right? Now I need to change this text, right? This is no text exists. So I need to input the text. So double click on that. Double click on that and just input your text as liabilities. Enter. Then double click on assets and here change to assets. See, now it has come in order, right? Now under liability we need to create a group, right? This is not the group which we created in financial accounting. Right? If you are saving at this level, you will not get the report. So I need to add the group under liability, assets and income, and I need to assign that number ranges what I mentioned, right? Select liabilities and click on create item. Click on create item. There I need to input this one, share capital account. This is my group, right, which we maintain in account group creation. Share capital, reserves and surplus, secured and unsecured loan, liabilities and provisions. Liabilities and provisions. Press enter. See, under liability we got this 4 group, right? Now I need to select share capital account and click on assign account, right? We maintain the group and under that we link with some number ranges. So click on assign account here, and here I need to input what are the number ranges I maintained in creation of account group. I need to mention here. So 100, 1 lakh to 1 lakh 199. What type of transaction you want to see, whether debit transaction or credit transaction. Both transaction you can, or both options you can select, or any one of these options also you can select. But I want to see both debit and credit transaction in this group. So press enter. It will come like this. If you click on plus, you will get the ledgers which we created under this group. If you click on press, you will get the ledgers which we created under this particular group. Then select reserves and surplus, click on assign account, and 1002002, 100399. Okay, press enter. See, it has come like this. If your creation in financial statement version and what you created in account group, that will number ranges will match, then only you can able to see this one. Otherwise, it will not give the output. That should be same only. And secured loan, unsecured loan, select assign account, 1,400 to 1,599. Select debit credit, enter. You can see the ledger here. And liabilities and provisions, assign account, 600 to 1,799. Select debit credit, enter. Click on that, you will get these ledgers, right? Okay, in the same way, we will go to asset side and click on create item. First we will create the group, then we will assign the number ranges. Click on create group, create item, and first I will create a fixed assets, current assets and accumulated depreciation. Enter. Select income. So first I will assign this one. Select fixed asset and click on assign account, 2002 200199. Enter. Press F4 and will like this. So these are the ledgers which we created under fixed asset group. Then same way current asset, click on assign account 2 lakh 200 to 2 lakh 399. Select debit and credit. Then accumulated depreciation, if you press F4, press button, you will get the ledgers under which assets. Accumulated depreciation, click on assign account, 2 lakh 400 to 2 lakh 599. So, enter. Okay, these are the ledgers which we created under this group. Next, go to income, assign account. So first create item, select income and create item, and here sales account group, other income, and increase or decrease in stock group. Enter. Select sales account group, click on assign account, 3 lakh to 3 lakh 199. Select debit, select credit. Enter. Other income, assign account, 3 lakh 200 to 3 lakh 399. Select debit, select credit. Enter. Then increase or decrease in stock group. I think I not created. Maybe I check that one. 400 to 3 lakh 599. Debit, credit. Enter. Yes, we created. Okay. Now we'll come to expenses side and click on create item. Select that one. Click on create item, and here material consumption, and personal staff cost, manufacturing expenses, administration expenses, interest account group, depreciation account group, last one duties and taxes. Enter. Now select material consumption account, click on assign account, and range start from 4 lakh to 4 lakh 199. Select debit, select credit. Enter. Okay, these are the ledgers which we created under material consumption. Then personal staff cost, assign account, 4 lakh 200 to 4 lakh 399. Enter. Select debit and select credit. Enter. Okay, these are the three ledgers we created under personal staff. Manufacturing expenses, I think 4 lakh 400 to 4 lakh 599. Enter. Then administration expenses, 600 to 799. Interest account group, 4 lakh 800 to 4 lakh 899. Depreciation, and last one duties and taxes, 401,000 40. Okay, now save this. And what are the number ranges and account group we maintained? On that basis, we can generate the report. Okay, on that basis, we can generate the report. Save this. Okay, now we are ready with our financial statement version. So I'll come to easy access again. Okay, so I'll go with accounting in easy access, financial accounting, general ledger, information system, general ledger reports. Just open that. General ledger account reports, and balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow, then general, actual comparison, and here we can go anywhere. And here I'm going to mention, say 1 lakh to 5 lakh. PSD, company code is PSD. business area is not required, again this also not required again. Then financial statement version, just now we created PSFV, right? This is my financial statement version. And what kind of output you want to generate, just click on execute. So we'll get a report like this. So these are the entries we did, right? So just open liabilities. Under liabilities we are having liabilities and provisions. These are the entries we did, right? Then open asset, fixed asset, current assets, then income, revenue account, then expenses. Okay. So these are the entries what we did, and we can compare with previous year. As of now we not posted any entries in 2020, that's the reason it is showing 0. If it is there any difference between 2021 to 2020, that will be get displayed here. That is what we call as variances, right? Variance means difference between the 2020 and 2021. So what is the difference? Say example, Sunday creditors, how much is in 2021 and in 2020? That is the difference. What is the difference? Whether it is increased or decreased. So on that basis, we can come to know what is the status of company, whether we are in going in a profit or whether we are going in a loss. That will come to know here. Okay, either I don't want to save this, and you can go with classic drill down report also. Select that one, execute. Again we will get similar only, just click on this. Here we cannot do, or we cannot adjust the columns. There I can adjust the columns. Here we cannot do any adjustment. Okay. And one more standard reporting we can use. This is a T code, S_LR_87012122449. This is a T code for this particular reporting, right? If you don't remember, if you not able to remember these T codes, just go with one T code, very much popular T code, F.01. F.01. Again, chart of account PSCA, GL account can mention or leave it blank, PSD. And here, this is my financial statement version, reporting year 2021 and comparison year 2020, right? Plan version is not maintained. Okay, so far click on execute. Okay, we'll get report like this. It's recording group to group, like this is liability related and this is asset related. Asset means fixed asset and current asset, and income, third one is income, and fourth one is expenses. Okay, so in this way we can generate the report. Okay, this is called financial statement version. So if you are having the financial statement which you created or which if you configured, you can able to see the reports like this, and you can go and explore all these things, because for all reporting we require financial statement version as we are having now, and go with explore all these things. Okay, explore all these things and you will get the report. So this is related to financial statement version. Okay, now finance part is over. Only one topic is there. I will cover after end of the session. That means end of the course. I will select, that is new GL concept. And before that, we need to go to controlling part. We will go to controlling. Here in financial accounting, what we did? Financial accounting, we generated external report, right? External reports we generated. So what is external report? The external report means profit and loss account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, tax reports, right? These are all called external report. That external report means what? We can show this report to anyone, right? Externally, external persons, we can disclose this, right? But whereas in controlling, it is not for external reporting purpose. Here we are going to do planning and budgeting, or it is called as internal report, right? We cannot disclose our planning and budgeting to anyone, right? It is purely for internal purpose, means whoever is employees is there in our company, they are going to do the planning or budgeting. So what is the difference between planning and budgeting? Planning and budgeting. What is the difference between planning and budgeting? So planning means so what are the amount we planned for a particular expenses that can be exceed. Say example, so I planned for rent or my plan for salary as 1 lakh per month, right? This is just a planning, right? Planning amount can be exceed, that can be exceeded. This is my plan amount, but actual come more than 1 lakh. Whereas budget, what are the amount we decided as budget that can't be exceed. Here system will throw an error if you are maintaining for expenses comes under budgeting. System will not allow you to post beyond that. So it's very important that what kind of planning or what kind of budget you are going to make. Plan amount can be exceed, right? This is my planning. That's planning amount. Always it will exceed. But budgeting we cannot exceed that one. So there is a difference between planning and budgeting. Both wordings are not same. Okay, so we'll discuss. In controlling, we are going to maintain planning and as well as budgeting. I'll show that one. Okay. So first we are having 4 topics here. Like first cost elements. First cost element is there. Second one is cost center accounting. And third one is profit center accounting. And last one is internal orders. These are the 4 topics which comes under controlling. So whereas in cost center accounting we are going to plan, then in cost center, and whereas in internal order budgeting. I'll show that one, budgeting. Okay, we can plan our regular expenses here and we can maintain the budget for that particular expenses. I'll show that one. What is the difference between internal order and cost center? We'll come to know. Before going into cost element, we should do some basic configuration regarding controlling. Say controlling. So first I need to maintain the controlling controlling area, so which is already did at the time of, I'll check that one. At the time of postings, I got the problem with or error with controlling, so I think I created. Let me check with the things, otherwise I need to create. And here create number ranges for controlling document and maintain version. So I need to create the number ranges for controlling document. Here we are having so many controlling document group. Here we are not having individual document, whereas in financial accounting we are having individual document like DR, DZ, DZ, like that, right? But here we are not having controlling individual document. In controlling we are not having individual document, where here we are going to maintain controlling document group. For that we need to maintain the number ranges. I'll show that one. And version means to plan our expenses, I need to create the version for my company code. Okay, so we'll see that one. Okay, let me check in the system. I'll go to system. I'll minimize financial accounting, and in IMG level I'll go to controlling. There is a option called controlling. I'll go there. First general controlling, go to organization and maintain controlling area. T code is OKKP. Click on that. Double click on maintain controlling area. Someone is using this. Let me wait for 2 minutes. Let me check with I created or not. PSD. Yes, it is already there. No need to create it again. It is already there. We created that soft drinks, 50 soft drinks. Right, these are the data we input while creating. Okay, then that has been assigned with my company code. I'll check with assignment of company code. Right, the controlling area has been assigned with company code. Then I activated some component which is there available in the system. So these are the component which we made active, right? These are the top, these are the options we selected, right? So at the time of posting, at the time of postings we created, or I think while posting in general ledger document we got that error, controlling area not maintained. So one thing I'll do, I'll delete this and I'll try to create that one. Okay. I'll come out from this one. Okay, someone is using, just 2 minutes, or reconnect, we'll discuss that one. Okay, I'll go to controlling area, position first, controlling area PSD. Okay, first I'll delete the assignment. Select this, click on delete. It has been deleted, save this. Then I'll go back basic data and delete controlling area. Group still like this, controlling area PST. Okay, now click on delete. Group still exists, controlling area PST. Select and delete. No, it is not able to delete once. Okay, if you want to create that one, then click on new entry here, then controlling area, just input PSD and input description as controlling for company code PSD, and click on company code, click on controlling area equals company code, press enter, and you will get small screen like this, and input your company code as PSD, press enter. Okay, this data will picked up, and here click on assignment control. There we are having two options, controlling area same as company code and cross company code transaction or cross company code cost accounting. If I am going to select this one, what will happen? This controlling area I can assign to one company code. If I am going to select controlling area same as company code, this controlling area I can assign to one company code. That's it. I cannot assign this controlling area to many company codes. If I want to assign one controlling area with many company codes, then go with cross company code cost accounting. Okay, so here I am going to select this one because as of now we are having only one company code and with one controlling area. No need to do any cross company code transaction. And cost center standard hierarchy is there. What is standard hierarchy? It's a reporting, it's a group, highest group. Means all authorities, they need to report to that particular group. That is what we call as hierarchy, highest hierarchy or tree. Here I am going to give hierarchy as PSD. Press enter. It is already there. Okay, just click on save. It is just not accepting because it is already there, right? So I'll come to main screen and click on position PSD. Now select this PSD and double click on assignment of control. After creation of that controlling area need to assign to company code. So double click on company code here, click on new entry and input company code PSD. Press enter and save. Then I need to activate some components which is there in the system. Double click on activate components or control indicator. So these are the components which we activated, like cost center we activated, and we activated activity types, we activated order management, commitment management, profitability analysis and activity based costing. It is not required, so I am not going to maintain this one. And here profit center accounting, project sales order and cost object, we selected this. Okay, we activated that one. Then if you want, you can add or you can select variances also. Okay, save. Okay, fine. So now controlling area is ready with assignment, right? We'll come back to main screen again and maintain number ranges for controlling document. T code is KANK. Maintain number ranges for controlling document. T code KANK. Okay, here input your company controlling area as PSD. Just click on group. See, these are the document group we are having in controlling. Document group controlling. You can create a number ranges and assign all these groups to your number ranges. That is, so many groups are there, right? It will take a lot of time to create and assign. So what I need to do, I'll come back and I'll input my company as controlling area here. Then click on copy. There's a copy option is there, and from where you need to copy number ranges. So I'll give 1000. This is standard controlling area and company code which is available in the system. You can use that one. Okay. Then 2 is my company code or controlling area. From here to here, number ranges should copy, right? Click on that. Okay. Enter. Controlling area 1000 was copied to PST. Now you can check with group. Go with maintain group or press F6. See here, this is my company code or controlling area, and under that these are document groups which is assigned. So that's the reason I copied all these things, because it will take a lot of time to create and assign. So I did copy option. Okay. In the same way also you can do. Otherwise you will find, or you will get confused with these things. Okay. Now number range is over, and I'll go with create maintain version. Maintain version. T code is OKEQ. T code is OKEQ. So we'll get screen like this. There I need to select version 0. Version 0. Why I need to select this? In this we are having plan and actual version. Plan is selected, actual is corrected, work in progress or result analysis and variances. All options are selected, right? So I need to select this and click on settings for each fiscal year. Settings for each fiscal year, and it is asking for controlling area. Controlling area is PSD. Press enter, and it will give 5 fiscal years starting from 2021, right? So I need to maintain the version for 2021. So I need to double click on 2021 here, or else you can select this and click on detail button. This is a detail button besides new entry, right? Click on that. You will get screen like this. There I need to select some options, like I need to select integrated planning, I need to select version, exchange rate type P or M. We are having 2 options here, P and M. Usually we will take M or P. P is for cost planning, M for average planning. So I will select P here, and value date means from when you are going to start or when you are going to use this version, from this date. And select integrated planning with cost centers and business processes. Okay, then version it will take automatically 0. Then click on price valuation, price calculation. Once you click on that, you will get a warning message or information message like this. Do you want to execute the change version function in the background? Click on no. Then we will come to this level. Here you need to select purely iterative price. Then plan method, select periodic price, actual method, periodic price, right? Then click on save. Once you click on save, again you will get a screen like this. Do you want to execute the change version function in the background? Click on no. It will get saved. Okay, now my 2021 fiscal year is ready with version. Then I can use it for till March 2022, right? Then afterward again I need to come to this level, or else you can maintain for whole 5 years. Or if you want to add some more year like this, like 2026 or 2020. 2020 is not there, right? So then click on new entry and you can do that one. Okay, this is regarding version. Okay, fine. We'll stop here today. Tomorrow, you people are available.
Available, sir.
Okay, so I'll update the timings tomorrow, and we'll continue with the cost element and cost center. Okay. Okay then. Bye. Good day.